Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reacting to IVE's Black Hole music video, which just came out today. I'm so excited for this because I saw the teasers. It looks like the production and budget is really high. The sound could be really good as well. And yeah, let's just get into this. Okay. Who's that? Is that Liz? This tower is crazy. Won in this pink. She looks so good. She's blonde now. He's so... This outfit. That sofa. Eugene. Oh my god. I love this outfit. The outfit's so slaying. Oh, the heart shape of the... Oh my god. The pink fur. Okay, Stadium. Okay, Produce 101. Won Young serving Ray. Oh my god, look at this platform. Budget, mama. That was a good shot. Oh, look at this background. Okay, Lisa. Oh, Gary looks so good with the pink hair. Oh, look at the person on the bottom. Okay, Ray. I feel like Liz has so much lines in this, which I'm not complaining about. Oh my god. Oh my god. They look so like expensive. Ooh. Look at the like white feather things on the gloves, the tassels. Oh my god, stunning queen. What is like... Ooh, look at that background. Oh, you better... Oh my god. Oh my god. Eugene's high note. Okay, Ray. Ooh, one young in ponytails. Oh my god. The stage, the backup dancers. Oh, ooh, now they're all on the bridge thing. Oh, I love these outfits. Oh, that looks so cool. And the sunset. Oh my god. Production was there. It looks so expensive. They look... The girls, stunning. They look so expensive. The styling, the makeup, the outfits. I can't get over the outfits. Like the pink fur, the other fur on Lisa, I think. Won Young's pink outfit. Oh my god, they all look so good. The song was so good as well. It's almost like a mashup of some of their previous title tracks. It sounds very IVE. I don't know how to describe it, but it sounds like, yeah, it's made for them. It's very their kind of branding and sound, which is obviously good because they have amazing title tracks. Um, what else? I feel like Liz had so much lines in this music video and song, which I'm not complaining about because she's like my bias. So I'm really happy about that. Ray kind of faded in the background a bit for me. I don't know, she didn't have too much strong moments, but the rest of the girls had like, I feel like, equal amounts of moments and screen times and lines. Um, Eugene had a high note, I think. That was really cool. Yeah, oh my god, this was everything and more. Such great quality. Not too much like the previous, what was the song? Bang Bang. I feel like that was a lot of editing in terms of like CGI and AI and like things on the screen, if you know what I mean, where this is like focused more on the set and the stage and the outfits. It did have that nice black hole wormhole background in some parts, which was really cool, but there wasn't too much like pixelated, I don't know, icons on the screen, if you can follow me, which was a nice clean way to make the music video. And yeah, oh my god, I'm gonna save this to my Spotify, repeat it. Oh, this whole album is out as well, I believe, and there's like some solo songs, so I'm definitely gonna listen to those. I believe it's their first time like doing a solo song for each of the members for an album. So that's really exciting. And yeah, oh my god. Let's support IVE in this comeback. I hope you enjoy my reaction. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.